Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start with the vehicle in ACC or on so the audio system is active. That prevents resets while you work. On the screen, locate Phone or Settings and open Bluetooth. This exposes paired devices. Tap the paired device you want to remove and choose Unpair or Delete. Do it now so the system can update immediately. Once done, the device will be marked Removed from the list. Make sure you are targeting the correct device to avoid unpairing a needed phone. After you press Delete, confirm when the system asks. Honda may show a secondary profile like audio or phone. Remove all associated profiles. If the entry doesn't disappear, scroll to System or Bluetooth settings and use Clear all paired devices cautiously. This removes every pairing. Meanwhile, on the phone, open its Bluetooth list and forget the Honda Civic entry so the car won't auto-reconnect. Make sure to verify both ends so the pairing is fully broken. Finish by restarting the audio unit or turning ignition off then on. This ensures the removal is saved in memory. If the device still shows, perform a soft reset. Press and hold the power and select buttons, or consult the owner manual for your Civic 2013 head unit reset steps. This clears display glitches. If problems persist, check the system's software level and consider an update or dealer service. They can perform a factory reset to resolve stubborn Bluetooth entries and restore normal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.